Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the document so pagination behaves predictably. Open Word and confirm page size, margins, and orientation because those values determine where page breaks land. Once done, enable Ruler and Draft View to see hidden breaks and spacing. This helps you place pages deliberately. Now insert a manual page break, if needed via Insert Break or Control+Enter, to start the first page where you want it. That initial action prevents later reflow and saves time. Next, you control where content moves to the next page and why. Use Control+Enter to force a hard page break when you need a clean split, and insert section breaks when different headers, footers, or margins are required across parts of the document. Make sure to show formatting marks so you can see paragraph returns and page break markers. That visibility explains unexpected gaps. Adjust paragraph spacing or widow/orphan control under paragraph settings to refine flow and keep lines together. To finish, you finalize pagination and verify consistency across the document. Insert or update page numbers through Insert Page Number and format numbering for sections as required. Inspect headers and footers and unlink them between sections when content differs. If content spills unexpectedly, reduce paragraph spacing, modify the style's line spacing, or move a manual break. These changes address flow without altering text. Quick troubleshooting tip: if page numbers or layout shift, toggle Draft View and inspect hidden breaks to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.